Hi guys, 2022 Ram TRX. Woo! What a beast. My next truck. I'm getting one. I have decided. Anyways, let me show you guys what we've done. Factory converter there. Factory converter stayed the same. The X pipe stayed the same. Then we did a muffler delete right there. Cut the two mufflers off and put straight pipes in their place. Kept the resonators on it out the back. They're like sheets on each side, as you can see them from right there. So 3-inch. And kept the stock tips out the back. And it is We the People 1776 TRX. He just bought it and brought it right to us. So he's like, I can't have it quiet. It's too quiet. I don't blame him. There's the two mufflers we cut off. Amazing what these two little mufflers can do for sound. They take a lot of the sound away. So stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. Like always, like, comment, and subscribe. 2022 Ram 4x4 TRX. Here we go. Sounds good. Nice clean idle. This is idle, guys. It's 80, 85 on idle. Go ahead. Better? Let's go. Again? That sounds phenomenal. Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. 115. Again? If you guys don't know, we are located in beautiful Nashville, Tennessee. 3560 Dickerson Pike. And the sun is shining nice today. I love it. When you get the cold air intake, it'll make a huge difference. I love the wide body on these things. What a beast. Here we go. He said he's gonna launch it. Let's see if it'll launch. Oh, it sounds like a truck, guys. That sucker flies. Ram, baby. Hemi. Enjoy, guys.